Working on a 2007 GMC Sierra. Customer complaints at check engine light. Take you to the scan tool. I forgot to mention, I think this is a 5.3 liter. The fault stored is a P0455. Evap system large leak detected. And I'm going to show you how to do a smoke test. Okay, so I'm just in the main menu. I'm going to go to functional tests, output controls, and what I want to do is be able to control this Evap vent solenoid. So I'm just going to customize this. Vent solenoid command, fuel tank pressure, tank pressure. You don't necessarily need those, but we can pick them. And basically what I'm going to do, close the vent, open the vent, and I can hear it clicking. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. So what we're going to do is put smoke into the system and close this vent off. Let's see if we can see any leaks anywhere. This is the smoke machine we're using, this big obnoxious thing. But it works. So let me show you where we're going to connect. Gotta pull this cover off. And there is a small green cap right there. So let's get the smoke machine connected. Start our test. Alright, so this smoke machine has two leads. Connect up positive and negative to the battery. Obviously we want to turn the tank on. Make sure this is on test. And we have a remote. You can hear the machine. And right here, we have our machine hooked up to our Evap test port. And we're just going to close that vent solenoid and pour some smoke in the system. So this is kind of hard to see, but I'm just gonna close the vent. And now we're gonna smoke it. And you just look for smoke. The only problem with this machine is that it leaks.
Does it?
Yeah, it comes straight out of the box.
That's true.
I can smell it already.
The gas?
Yeah.
I know. It's annoying. Rusty ass.
So, not venting, in theory, our tank pressure should build and our tank pressure voltage should also rise. I'm not really seeing any change there. I can smell the fuel. I'm not seeing any smoke up here. So we're underneath the truck. We did see some smoke, so we lifted it up. I just wanted to show you this vent solenoid right here. So this is what's clicking. You can hear it. Right now it's open, closed, open, closed. So, but we got smoke coming out back here, if I can get a shot. don't know if the camera can see that. You gonna hold on to that? Definitely see that smoke. Go ahead and smoke it. Wish I could see up there.
Come over a little bit.
Better. Bring on the smoke. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Maybe you can squeeze in there. I can't fit.
I don't know. I'm just trying to get you a shot of our perspective. This is the drive shaft and we're going up. There's the fuel tank right here and we're going up through here to the top of the fuel pump. It's just really hard to get a nice shot of this, but what it looks like is it's leaking from the fuel pump. Our next step would be to drop this tank or pull the bed off and redo the test. But at least this shows, you know, how to isolate the leak, and we at least know our next step.
Looks like it's coming either out of the seal or out of a pressure sensor right there, maybe. Such a hard angle. But
All right, so we pulled the bed off. This fuel pump is like super rusty, and it looks like right here at the top of the pump connector, there's a broken piece of plastic, and it's coming right out of this hole in there. Get out of here. This is coming out of this hole right here. Big piece missing underneath this connector. Smoke is pouring right out of there. So this thing needs a fuel pump assembly. Don't know if I'll be able to get an after shot of that, but we know where the leak is. Thanks for watching.